is removed. The entire leaf is then passed through a tube to the rotor vane below. The rotor vane is a machine which crushes and squeezes the leaf. The leaf coming out of the rotor vane then enters the CTC machines. CTC means cutting, turning and curling. These machines, which are 5 in number, have sharp rollers on them. They cut, turn and curl the leaf while it passes through them. After the CTC, the leaf enters the Ooty, which imparts heaviness to the tea while the tea rubs on its surface while passing through it. The tea then enters the oxidation area where it is collected in stainless steel trays and allowed to remain there for almost an hour. During oxidation, the enzymes in the tea react with the oxygen using hot air produced by a heater. Tea drying takes almost 16 minutes. After the tea is dried, it assumes a black color as seen in the market. The last 3 stages are cleaning, kneading and cracking. The fiber in the tea comes from the leaves is removed in the fiber bag. The teas are loaded labeled according to size in the grader. There is a leaf grader and gas grader. The teas are later packed and sent for sale. The factory has for sale different types of teas. Welcome to the tea factory. The process of tea manufacture consists of several stages.